Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Shopify product SEO using page titles and meta tags. Complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Shopify product SEO using page titles and meta tags, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the products section on the left sidebar. Select the product you want to optimize. In the product details page, scroll down to the search engine listing preview. Click on the Edit Website SEO link. Begin by crafting a descriptive and relevant page title. Make sure your title includes essential keywords but remains clear and engaging. Keep the title length under 60 characters to ensure it's fully displayed in search results. Next, move to the meta description field. Write a concise summary of the product that encourages clicks. Aim for around 150 to 160 characters to optimize visibility. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally within the text. Use action-oriented language to invite potential customers to explore further. After optimizing the title and meta description, review the URL handle. Ensure it reflects both the product name and its keywords. Edit the URL to be user-friendly and include hyphens instead of spaces. Once you have made all necessary changes, click the Save button. Repeat this process for each product to ensure comprehensive SEO coverage. After completing your edits, monitor your product's performance using Shopify Analytics. Evaluate changes in traffic and rankings to measure the effectiveness of your SEO efforts. Consider revisiting and tweaking titles and meta descriptions regularly for ongoing optimization. By following these steps, you will improve your Shopify product's visibility in search engine results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.